how to make money online doing data entry. So welcome, this is your first time here. I'm gonna share with you in this quick video how to make money online doing data entry. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I wanna say an absolute welcome. Make sure you leave in the comments down below exactly where you're watching this video from. I always like to know how far my videos are trending. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. For the new people, like, subscribe, turn on that bell notification, because every time I create a new video, you're gonna be the first one to know. And on this channel, I'll talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways how I can share my knowledge with each and every one of you. So with no further delay, I'm just gonna dive into things. I'm gonna jump into things. So make sure you are ready. So let's get started. So this indeed is my YouTube channel. As you can see, if this video is not what you're looking for, it's okay. Just make sure you scroll through here and you can see a ton of videos for you to watch right away. So let's just dive into the content. Now, the first website I'm gonna share with you how to make money online doing data entry is a website that is called OneSpace. Now, OneSpace is a great website. They're looking for people who can do data entry. So what are the companies that these people work for? Look at this. They have Office Depot, Lowe's, Sears, and they have Staples, they have Retail Not Me Inc. So if you scroll through here, you can see exactly what they do. So multi-retail consumer search insights, right? Intelligent digital self-monitoring. So they're looking for people who want to do data entry. So these huge companies, imagine they have stacks and stacks of information that they need to input or put inside of a computer. They're looking for people to work right away. They're looking for people that want to make money. So this right here would be a great website that you can start from. So if you want to become a part of this, all you have to do is just scroll all the way down to the bottom. You can click on where it says careers. They have careers, or you can check out clients, you can check out the services, you can check out the platform just to see how all this works. So come down here, go into the section that says careers. Once you click on the career section, it's gonna pull up and you will see a bunch of different career opportunities that you can do. So if you scroll through here, they're looking for a lot of people. Now you can apply for a free workstation account. So you can click on that. You want to do like freelancing, you can click right here, put your name, make sure this is the right information, put the city that you are, you can type in your country and what position that you're looking for as well. So what language do you speak and write fluently? So they're looking for people all over. So if you see your language here, feel free to check it out. OneSpace, pay via PayPal, as I said before. So make sure you put your PayPal information, put your PayPal information in so you can get paid. So make sure you put in the right email address for your PayPal account, because you don't want them to send your money to somewhere else. So you can get more information. Just come on this website, you can check it out. Next website I'm going to be talking about is FigureEight, another great how to make money online data entry website. So this right here, you could, scroll through and see exactly how it works. So how it works, step 1, step 2, step 3. So people are looking to have their, like, let's say not people, but huge companies are looking for people like you or me that to do data entry. This would be a great website that you want to come and you can transcribe audio, you can draw boxes on images. And what is 8Figure? It will tell you right here, so you can scroll through. The company was founded in 2007. So they've been around for, I would say, a decade. So a decade and change. So you can go, they have their Twitter as well. They have the Tumblr. Come on here, you can create an account. Now, if you want to sign up, all you have to do is just click where it says sign up. And once you do that, you want to put your full name, you want to put your email, you want to put your password. Of course, you got to agree to their terms and condition as well. How do the payment work? Likewise, down here, bada bing, bada boom, PayPal. So if you scroll through here, you'll see you get paid via PayPal. So you want to make sure you have a PayPal account. And then once you verify everything, the profile payment, they will send you data entry jobs. Now, most people say, well, I just signed up today and I haven't received an email, because you have to wait until they send you an email. So I don't know how long the waiting process is, but just make sure when you sign up for these things, you wait, and you make sure that you also check your spam, because sometimes emails will land in the spam. It's just normal. And this website that I'm going to be talking about is called Micro Workers. Now, Micro Workers has been around for a while. People are still making money from this. People are still do data entry. They're doing surveys. They're doing all type of stuff. So these websites will not get you rich. It's not going to get you super rich. It's not going to get you the life of freedom and all that. But it's good to make a little bit of extra money where you can pay some bills, pay rent, and all that type of stuff. But if you're looking for a way how to make more money, where you can bring in at least $200-300 consistently every day or every week, I don't know. Or you probably want to make $1,000 per week, or maybe a couple hundreds, or even a couple $1,000 per month. Now, I don't know what you're going to do, and results are untypical, so you can't be typical. You got to put the work in, but I'm going to invite you to check out the link in the description where you can sign up and you can get started right away. So I hope this video helps. And this video is how to make money online with data entry. And of course, this is all you got to do. You don't have to go and chase friends or family to do all this kind of stuff. You could just sign up and just start getting paid right away. So I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and drop in the comments. Let me know where you're watching this from. See you on the next video. Peace.